Today I am going to discuss something very special to you. I want to hide something inside my PC without any software. How can we do that? Let This is the folder that I want to hide. Okay, let's cut the folder. Go to the my computer, then click on organize, folder and search option, view, then show hidden file and uncheck the hide protected operating system file recommended. There is a pop-up, you have to click on yes. Okay, then go to the C drive or any other drive, find the recycle.bin folder, get inside the folder and copy the folder inside this. Again come to the organize, folder option, view, don't show hidden file and hide protected operating system, apply. Okay, there's the trick. Thank you very much.